I will give you 3 numbers. Can you make different numbers with that? 3, 4, 6.
346. That's easy, Buzz. 436.
634.
364. 643.
Now I know 463.
That's right. Now tell me this. A snail is climbing up a small slope. It takes 1 minute to climb up 2 centimeters. Can you tell me how long will it take to climb 4 centimeters?
I know. It will take 2 minutes to climb up 4 centimeters.
That's right, Meenu.
Oh, Meenu, but how did you do that?
I will tell you, Buzz. The snail takes 1 minute to climb 2 centimeters. Now it has to climb 4 centimeters. It will take 1 more minute to do that. So it will take 2 minutes to climb 4 centimeters.
Oh, Meenu, you are very smart. This game is more interesting than Antakshari. Teacher, will you ask us more puzzles?
Okay, tell me this now. Suppose I give 2 toffees to each one of you in the bus and I have 5 more left with me. How many toffees do I have?
I know the answer. You had 85 toffees with you. Chinu, how is it 85? Look, there are 40 children in the bus. If our teacher gave 2 toffees to each one of us, she has 40 into 2, which is equal to 80 toffees. She has 5 toffees left with her. So it is 80 plus 5, which is equal to 85. 85 toffees. But, Chinu, even I want a toffee. You did not give me one. Buzz, but the teacher did not give toffees to anyone. It was just a puzzle. Oh, look, so much of water. We are going on a different road.
Buzz, don't go outside the window. Come inside quickly. You will fall into the water. This is the Yamuna River. It is not a different road. We are going over a bridge. See, we have to cross the river. So the bus has to go over the bridge.
This bridge is very, very long.
Yes, the bridge is about 500 meters long.
I know, that is half a kilometer. Oh my God, that's a long bridge. Our bus is about 10 meters long. So 50 such buses can stand in a line on this bridge. There is lots of water in the river also. Is it going to touch the bridge?
It is not going to touch the bridge. It is about 20 meters below the bridge. It is rainy season now. That is why there is lots of water in the river. But during other seasons, the water level is almost 50 meters below the bridge.
It is 20 meters below the bridge now. In other seasons, if it is 50 meters below the bridge, then the water level goes down by 30 meters.
How, Meenu?
It is very easy, Buzz. It is 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So the water level drops by 30 meters.
Oh, look! I can see the Taj Mahal. We are in Agra. The Taj Mahal is so white and beautiful. Come, let's get out of the bus. Meenu, come fast. Let's go see the Taj Mahal.
Friends, have you been on any trip? Have you seen a bridge? Do you know how long it is? Okay, friends, I am going to see the Taj Mahal now.
Buzz has to find out the number that comes exactly in between two numbers. He does not know how to do it. Will you give the answer loudly and help Buzz? 10 and 30. 20. 60 and 80. 70. 15 and 25. 20. 45 and 55. 50. 50 and 100. 75. 12 and 16. 14. 32 and 38. 35. Shall we help Butterfly? What is 20 minutes more than 5:30? 5:30 plus 20 minutes is equal to 5 hours 50 minutes. It is 5:50. What is 30 minutes more than 9:10? 9 hours 10 minutes plus 30 minutes, which is equal to 9 hours 40 minutes. It is 9:40. What is 15 minutes more than 7:25? 7 hours 25 minutes plus 15 minutes, which is 7 hours 40 minutes. It is 7:14. What is 45 minutes more than 6 o'clock? 6 hours plus 45 minutes is equal to 6 hours 45 minutes. It is 6:45. What is 30 minutes more than 3:30? We have to remember that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 3 hours 30 minutes plus 30 minutes is equal to 4 hours.